About a year ago, this little loop on my watch, also known as a free ring or free loop, broke apart after years of wear. It occurred to me that maybe I could use some duct tape, and I soon came up with this DIY solution. Use the ruler to measure 2 inches of tape. Cut the tape at that point. Now take that piece of tape and cut it down the middle. Put one half to the side. Take the other half and now cut 1/2 inch down the middle long ways. Keep your finger between the middle cut as you fold the rest of the tape together lengthwise. Keeping your finger between the middle cut, grab your watch, which should be connected together with 2 straps overlapping each other. Wrap the tape around the 2 straps to create a snug but not too tight fit. Finally, use the 2 pieces of tape from the middle cut and put it together with the other end of the tape. And that's it. You have a new free ring. If there are any exposed areas of tape, I'd recommend Goo Gone to wear off the sticky parts. And if you'd like, check out my eBay store for used books, movies, and accessories. Don't forget to subscribe.